Are you tired of fad diets that promise the world and deliver nothing but hunger pangs? Look no further. Plant-based diets are here to revolutionize not only your waistline, but also your relationship with food. Let's dive into how going green can help you shed pounds and thrive without meat. Number 10. Fiber power. The key to feeling full and losing weight. One of the biggest advantages of a plant-based diet is its high fiber content, found in foods like whole grains, veggies, and legumes. Fiber is essential for weight loss as it keeps you full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. It also helps regulate blood sugar, improve digestion, and lower cholesterol. In 2024, Harvard University research confirmed that fiber-rich diets not only help people lose weight, but also maintain it long-term. High-fiber foods are low in calories, allowing you to eat more without guilt. Studies show that plant-based eaters focusing on fiber-rich foods lost more weight compared to those on standard diets, even without calorie restriction. Number 9. Low-calorie density. Eating more, weighing less. A plant-based diet encourages eating more while weighing less, thanks to low-calorie density. Calorie density refers to the calories per gram of food. Vegetables like kale, spinach, and zucchini are nutrient-dense but low in calories. For example, half a plate of these non-starchy veggies has under 100 calories, while a tablespoon of oil contains 120 calories. This means you can eat larger portions of low-calorie density foods, stay full, and still lose weight. By focusing on these foods, you manage your calorie intake without feeling deprived, which makes weight management easier and more satisfying. Number 8. Avoiding the vegan junk food trap. Not all plant-based foods are healthy. In recent years, the rise of vegan junk food has given people the illusion that plant-based automatically means good for you. While it's tempting to indulge in plant-based burgers, chips, and sweets, these processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, just like their non-vegan counterparts. A 2024 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that while participants on a plant-based diet lost weight, those who stuck to whole foods, such as vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, had more significant fat loss than those who consumed processed vegan foods. The lesson: stick to whole, unprocessed foods if weight loss is your goal. After all, a vegan cookie is still a cookie. Processed foods, whether plant-based or not, are usually calorie-dense and nutrient-poor. They may lead to weight gain or prevent you from reaching your weight loss goals. The key to success on a plant-based diet is to focus on whole, natural foods. Number 7. Better blood sugar control equals to faster fat loss. Plant-based diets are also known for improving insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for fat loss. Insulin is the hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels, and poor insulin sensitivity can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly. High insulin levels promote fat storage, particularly after meals. Fortunately, a plant-based diet, rich in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, helps stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. A study conducted by the Stanford Prevention Research Center in 2024 showed that participants who adopted a plant-based diet experienced a 25% drop in insulin levels after just 8 weeks. This improvement in blood sugar control helps reduce cravings for sugary and fatty foods, making it easier to lose weight and keep it off. Number 6. Healthy fats, good for you and your waistline. Despite the myth that all fats are bad for weight loss, healthy fats are essential, especially when they come from plant sources. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olives are excellent sources of healthy fats that can help you feel full and satisfied without the excess calories found in animal fats. Research published in JAMA Network confirmed that plant-based diets rich in healthy fats lead to slower long-term weight gain compared to diets high in animal fats. Healthy fats not only support heart health and brain function, but also help regulate hormones involved in fat metabolism. Plus, they taste great. The beauty of a plant-based diet is that it allows you to enjoy foods rich in healthy fats while still maintaining a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. A little avocado on your salad or a handful of nuts as a snack won't sabotage your goals. Number 5. Plant-based protein. a muscle builder's best friend. One of the most common concerns people have when transitioning to a plant-based diet is getting enough protein. However, plant-based foods like beans, lentils, tofu, quinoa, and even vegetables provide ample protein to meet your dietary needs. Protein is critical for building and maintaining muscle, which in turn helps burn more calories at rest. Studies have shown that individuals following plant-based diets can achieve the same muscle-building benefits as those consuming animal protein, as long as they get enough protein from varied sources. So, don't let anyone tell you that you need meat to build muscle. Plants have got you covered. In addition to helping with muscle maintenance, plant-based proteins come with fewer calories and less fat than animal-based proteins, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. Number 4. Low-fat vegan diets, accelerating weight loss. Low-fat vegan diets are particularly effective for weight loss. By cutting down on fats and focusing on whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, you naturally reduce your calorie intake while keeping your meals satisfying and nutrient-dense. A study by the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine found that participants on a low-fat vegan diet lost an average of 13 pounds over 16 weeks. This approach to plant-based eating helps reduce fat mass, especially around the belly, and improves overall health markers. So if you're looking for a quick but sustainable weight loss solution, reducing fat intake while eating plenty of whole, plant-based foods might be your answer. Number 3. Ditching oil, a simple way to cut calories. While olive oil is often touted as healthy, it's also incredibly calorie-dense, with about 120 calories per tablespoon. Many plant-based advocates recommend reducing or even eliminating oil from your diet to save on calories. Forks over knives suggest that sautéing with vegetable broth or baking with applesauce can help you prepare delicious meals without the extra calories from oil. Imagine saving hundreds, if not thousands, of calories per day by simply skipping the oil. This small change can have a massive impact on your weight loss journey. Number 2. Exercise plus plant-based diet, a winning combo. While diet plays a significant role in weight loss, combining it with regular exercise is where the magic happens. Exercise helps burn calories, build muscle, and improve overall health. When paired with a plant-based diet, the results are even more impressive. Forks Over Knives recommends incorporating activities that you enjoy, whether it's walking, swimming, or strength training, to boost your weight loss results. Plant-based diets are rich in energy-boosting foods, so you'll have plenty of stamina to power through your workouts without feeling sluggish or tired. Plus, plant-based eaters often report faster recovery times due to reduced inflammation, allowing for more consistent exercise. Number 1. Long-term weight loss, a lifestyle, not a diet. Perhaps the most compelling argument for a plant-based diet is its sustainability. Unlike fad diets that offer quick fixes, a plant-based lifestyle provides long-term results. You can lose weight and keep it off while enjoying an abundance of whole, delicious foods. In 2024, as the global obesity crisis continues to grow, experts like those at the World Health Organization are emphasizing the importance of shifting to plant-based diets for both health and environmental reasons. A plant-based diet not only helps individuals lose weight, but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. When you adopt a plant-based diet, you're not just making a short-term change, you're committing to a lifelong change toward better health. In fact, multiple studies have shown that those who follow a plant-based diet tend to maintain their weight loss over time more effectively than those following traditional diets. The key is sustainability. Not only are plant-based diets effective for shedding pounds, but they are also easier to stick to because of the variety, abundance, and nutrient-dense options available. That's all for today's video. If you're ready to thrive on plants and shed those extra pounds, why not start today? Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest plant-powered life. Hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest health hacks and weight loss secrets.